What if your regular burger could turn into something smoky and spicy with bold flavor? These Smoky Chipotle Burger patties are juicy and incredibly easy to make at home. It all starts in a simple kitchen, with an air fryer and everything you need. In small bowls, you've got ground beef, chipotle peppers, paprika, garlic powder, salt, and black pepper. All the ingredients build smoky flavor. The magic begins when you mix everything together. The beef absorbs all those spices. Then you shape the mixture into perfect burger patties, pressing a small dent in the center so they cook evenly and stay juicy. Now it's time for the air fryer. At 375 degrees Fahrenheit, the patties cook into a beautiful golden crust while staying tender and juicy inside. While they cook, you prepare the buns and fresh toppings: crisp lettuce, juicy tomatoes, onions, and creamy chipotle mayo. Once the patties are ready, you start building the burger layer by layer. Soft bun, juicy patty, fresh vegetables, and that spicy chipotle sauce dripping through every bite. For extra flavor, you can add melted cheese like pepper jack for heat, smoked for richness, or classic cheddar for balance. Finally, the burger comes together, perfectly stacked, juicy, smoky, and full of bold chipotle flavor. And when you place it on the plate, warm and freshly made a burger in minutes.